I think I've got my candidates. I think that the XR21, this is a tough one. Who wins out of the core lineup of Johnnie Walker? You got a $40 bottle down here, up to about a $200 bottle over here. You know, I've had them all, so I got some opinions in my mind, but I'm gonna let this guide me and nothing else. First of all, let me go ahead and pour it up. As you can see, this double black comes in this nice black bottle. And of course, next to it, I've got the 15 year, which is the green label, then the 18 year, and then the XR21, and then of course the blue label. Let's go ahead and pour up some of that green label, which is honestly one of my favorite affordable whiskeys out there. Comes in a pretty standard bottle. Let's go ahead and do this 18 year. Okay. So once again, it's got a pretty good price point for what you get. You got the XR21. So when the price goes up a little bit, nearly double. A splasheroo over there, but oops. And then now we're finally going to finish off with this blue label, which is honestly one of my favorites of all time, and I've enjoyed it over the years quite a bit. For me, color-wise, they all look very similar, but let me go ahead and just move this out so I can see if there's any color differences here. You know, they are blend. Yeah, I would say over here on the XR21 side, also the double black. The 15 and the 18 year a little bit lighter. The XR21 does have like a little bit of a red kind of sheen to it. It's got a little bit more of a golden sheen. And then of course the blue label just always looks like this. And I'd say it's just a little bit of smokiness, a little bit darker, but not over the top. All right, so let's go ahead and put them back up. I'm gonna go ahead and get myself a little bit of water, like I think you should do as well if you're doing a flight or tasting with your friends and family. And of course, I got myself some little things to go along with it, because at the end of the day, if you're going to be drinking, you got to have some pairings to go along with it. I got a little bit of white cheese, got a little bit of this pomegranate chocolate. I got some chocolate with some almond in it, a little bit of sea salt. And then I got two types of olives, green, which is one that's feta, and the other one that's a blue cheese, and then a little bit of a seasoned kind of almond. And I usually eat those, and I pretty much enjoy them on a regular basis. All right, let's see. I'm going to start with this double black and see how I feel. I mean, it's actually got a very pleasant scent. I mean, it's a little tiny bit of clove, a little bit of vanilla. The lightest amount of smokiness. Let's go ahead and put it on our palate. I can get that smokiness in your mouth. Got a little bit of a bite to it. A little rougher than I normally like, but not bad. Honestly, it's not bad. Especially for a $40 bottle. Let's go with this 15-year green label. You're gonna get a little bit of fresh fruit, a little tiny bit of herb, and just enough of the soft smoke that you need. It's a really good whiskey. Really good whiskey at less than $70. Actually, it's pretty smooth for what it is. Pretty darn smooth. I'm gonna give myself a little bit of chocolate to go along with this. Make my way to the 18 year. A lot of dry fruit, a lot of butterscotch. Pleasant, sweet. A lot of layers. Good at this point. It starts to get to the oiliness in your mouth, better texture. For sure, I get that. Almost get a little bit like a almond and a little bit like a toffee. So very nice. Let's prep for the XR21. Oh wow. Much more honey forward. Almost like a tropical fruit. Slightest amount of tobacco. For sure, like a candied, almost like caramel. So put it on our palate. Candy. You're gonna get some like a caramel fruit. And for sure, you're gonna get a little bit of that tobacco. But overall, very nice. Very good. Very elegant. Let's go with one of my favorites. Blue label. You get like a rich oak, tiny bit of smokiness, spice, a little bit of dried fruit. Very nice. Very elegant. Just great. Really good. Lovely. I mean, I get a little bit of the oak in my mouth. I get a little bit of the smoke, but everything's very soft, very subtle, and you don't really get any bite at all. Very smooth going down. Why it's one of my favorites, just hands down. You know, I wasn't disappointed by this because I've had this in the past, and I got to say I expected for it to be a little more harsh. But honestly, comparing it to the rest of them, it's not so bad. And at 40 bucks, I think it is a winner. But I'm going to have to say that one bows out in this competition because these are just so much better. And I'm going to make it head-to-head between these four. This time around, I'm going to start with the Blue Label. I mean, just reminds me of a good meeting or a good time with friends and family. So much nostalgia from this particular bottle. And it's just lovely. It's almost a little bit of a cheating thing kind of thing because I already know what to expect from it. But I'm going to give you an honest opinion. Let's go with the XR21. I'm going to say, there's something special there with that XR21. It has that caramel. It's very soft. It's got just enough, you know, of a mouthfeel, a little bit of a bite to where you can taste the layers really coming back and really being powerful. That's why it's important to come in for that second. The second really gives you the truth. It gives you the facts. The 18-year. Nice. But it's a little too harsh for me. It's leaving something. It's leaving something behind that I don't like. It's not the best mouthfeel, but it does add a little bit more texture, a little more oiliness, which is good. Let's put it against a 15-year just to be sure. Green Label. I mean, I just like the Green Label. It's easy to drink. Very easy. So now I'm between three of them because I think the 18-year has fallen out. It's going to be between the 15, the XR21, and the Blue Label. This is going to be my final assessment right here. Glad you stuck with me this far. Let's see what we think. I'm going to start with the Green Label. It's just a nice drinker. Really is. Let's move on over to this XR21. Very special as well. Very nice. I think we might have a big upset here. This is the scary part when you compare them head to head. You keep pricing, you keep texture, you keep smoothness, you keep everything in mind. And suddenly your mind opens up and goes, wow. I think I've got my candidates. I think that the XR21, this is a tough one. So I'm just gonna have to say, third place is the 15-year Green Label, which is amazing, by the way. And honestly, these guys are almost tied. They're just different and special in their own way. My number 2 is going to be the XR21, just because it's got that sweet caramel deliciousness. And then I just gotta be honest, for the price and for just something that's great all the time, this Blue Label just trumps everything. It's just great. It's just perfect at this price point, and it's something that I've come to expect over the years. It's very smooth, just got just enough smokiness. So this is my number 1, this is my number 2, and this is my number 3. Hope you learned something today. Please let me know what you think of my assessment. Tell me your own assessment, share it in the comments below, and let me know if there's anything else you want to learn. Also, I'm going to have some giveaways coming up. I want my subscribers to really participate. I'm going to have some special tastings coming up. So thank you for joining me, and take care.